Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay December 11, 2024 Wednesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong December 11, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Wednesday, December 11, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for December 11, 2024, Wednesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates for Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, December 11, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of December 11, 2024, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.